Let's study modern cold rooms, present in commercial refrigeration installations. Let's start with the basic definitions that every commercial refrigeration technician should know. A cold room is a refrigerated room, used to store perishable foods or products to prevent them from spoiling before the stipulated time. The basic components of the refrigeration cycle present in a cold room are: 1. Compressor. 2. Condenser. 3. Electronic expansion valve. 4. Evaporator. 5. Shut-off valves. 6. Liquid sight glass. 7. Filter dryer. Additionally, we observe the control and safety mechanisms. 8. Pressure switch to stop the equipment due to low pressure in the compressor suction or high pressure in the system discharge. 9. Pressure transducer for suction, used to inform the electronic controller of the cold room about the pressure value. It uses analog or digital electronic signals for this purpose. 10. Evaporator temperature sensor, to inform the cold room controller of the exact evaporator temperature. 11. Temperature sensor inside the cold room, to inform the controller of the cold room's internal temperature. 12. Cold room electronic controller, responsible for managing the electronic expansion valve according to the pressure and temperature values provided by the sensors. This precise control allows accurate control of superheating at the evaporator outlet, saving energy, and protecting the compressor. It also allows handling variables such as temperature, air velocity, humidity, among others. Now let's talk about the variables to control in a cold room. 1. Humidity. 2. Air velocity. 3. Temperature. 1. Humidity. The cold room controls humidity to prevent dehydration of the stored product and the growth of microorganisms. It also influences the quality of food products. 2. Air velocity. The cold room controls air velocity to prevent excessive dehydration of the product. 3. Temperature. The cold room maintains the system temperature according to the needs of the stored products, which influences microbiological and chemical processes. When building a cold room, several aspects must be considered, such as: A. Type and thickness of insulation in the walls. B. Heating of the door frame. C. Floor heating. D. Air change or renewal. E. Ventilation under the floor. F. The man alarm in the cold room is mandatory for negative temperature cold rooms, and if the volume exceeds 10 cubic meters. G. Additionally, there must be a pressure relief valve on the wall to equalize the pressure between the room and the environment with two-way depression.